Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about Merck India Charitable Trust Scholarship Program. First of all, talking about the benefit you get by that scholarship, rupees 35,000 per year till your graduation. Now talking about the program. Merck India has been running this scholarship program since 2005. Many MICT scholars have successfully completed their education and are employed in various professional fields, including engineering, medicine, science, commerce, aviation, and nursing. Merck India Charitable Trust MICT Scholarship Program is an initiative of Merck India that aims to support underprivileged students who are keen to pursue higher education. The scholarship program is open for students residing and studying in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Thane, and Bengaluru. It offers financial assistance to class 10th passed students until they graduate in a chosen discipline. Under this scholarship program, MICT scholars will receive 35,000 per year based on actual receipt of education expenses as submitted by student to cover their various academic expenses. The long-term financial support offered by this scholarship is aimed at encouraging talented students from financially weaker families and help them in laying a foundation for a bright and secure future. Now talking about the eligibility criteria of Merck India Charitable Trust Scholarship Program. Open for students who have successfully passed class 10th with minimum 80% marks in 2020. Applicants' family income must be less than or equal to 20,000 per month. Only students who are currently residing and studying in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Thane and Bengaluru are eligible for this scholarship program. So share this video with your friends who live in that places. Now talking about the documents you required for that scholarship. Copy of class 10th mark sheet attested by school or institution principal or any officer. Passport size photograph, income proof or salary slip of last 3 months of all the earning family members attested by respective employers and revenue office or tehsildar, or income certificate of the family from revenue office or BPL card or ration card. Proof of permanent residence in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Thane or Bengaluru. You can provide ration card or election card or electricity bill or telephone bill or a rent agreement to prove the permanent residence address. Bank passbook or cancelled check or original letter from the bank clearly stating the following detail: name of account holder, account number, IFSC code, bank and branch name. And now talking about how can you apply. To apply for that scholarship, both online and offline way is available. First of all, I will talk about the online application and then I will talk about the offline application process. For online application, go to the official website or log into the Buddy for Study using registered ID to land onto the online application form page. If not registered on Buddy for Study, register at Buddy for Study with your email, mobile, Facebook or Gmail account. Then you will be redirected to the Merck India Charitable Trust Scholarship Program. And then follow the following steps to complete your online application form. Click on the Start Application button to begin the application process. Fill the required details in the online scholarship application form. Upload the required documents. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Preview. If all the details filled in by the applicant are correctly showing on the preview screen, click on the Submit button to complete the application process. Now talking about the offline application process. Download the scholarship application form by clicking on the link which is given in the description. Fill the application form. To submit application by post, follow the following steps. Enclose the duly filled application form along with required documents in an envelope. Send your application by post to the address showing on your screen. And if you want to submit application by email, then follow that steps. Scan the filled offline application form along with the required documents. Submit your application via email at markscholarship@buddyforstudy.com. Mark the subject line of your email as MICT Scholarship Application, your name and then date of birth. Now talking about some of the frequently asked questions related to that scholarship. What is the selection process for Merck India Charitable Trust Scholarship Program? The selection process of Merck India Charitable Trust (MICT) scholarship is a multi-stage process where students are selected on the basis of merit and their financial need. Details of the selection process are mentioned below. Applications will be shortlisted on the basis of the eligibility criteria mentioned above. Shortlisted students will be informed within 2 to 3 weeks from the last day of application by email or telephone communication. The shortlisted candidate will undergo an aptitude test and face-to-face interview for the final selection if required. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you.